Hello guys, and welcome to another episode of Photoshop Lightroom TV, your video podcast about anything Photoshop, Lightroom and photography. I'm your host, Marek Mularczyk, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create your own custom brush, your own custom signature brush. We can put your signature on images or designs that you create. So first I'm going to create a new document. And I'm going to make it quite big, so maybe 2048 pixels square. You can always make it smaller, you know that. Okay, so make it square. Background white is fine. Okay, 72 ppi is just okay, because we're using it on images on the web, so click OK. I'm just going to switch to, and we're going to add some content that will serve as your brush. So what I'm going to do in this case is actually use text. So I'm going to add the letter M, and I'll make it much bigger, and I'll pick a different color. Okay, maybe even a bit bigger, and you can pick a different font family. So I would pick something, don't want to spend too much time on it here, maybe something like that. I'll move it towards the center. Then I'll add another text. I'm just going to use number 2 here, and this will be much smaller, the same font family. I was using Control key on Windows or Command key on the Mac to quickly access Move tool to move it. So this goes here, and different color. A darker green. Okay. So a little bit more here, maybe a little bit bigger. Here we go. You can add anything you want in here, really. It's just something that's going to be a brush. You can even make it much bigger. So say even 2M could be much bigger, because we'll make the document really big. And then 2 would sit here, maybe a little bit bigger. I love these new smart guides in Photoshop. CC. Okay. Now it's okay if it's not in the center, because we're going to create a brush now. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the rectangular marquee tool. I'll create a selection of our text. As you hold in mouse button down with rectangular marquee tool, if you don't reach the mouse button down, you can press and hold spacebar to move your selection around, so you can move it into place. So it's exactly where you want it to be, so it's something like that. Okay, that's our selection. Now go to Edit menu, and we'll go down to Define Brush preset. Okay, it will be black and white, but don't worry about it. We'll give it a name, so this could be Signature Brush M2. I'm going to put a capital M, and I will click OK. So now we're going to open an image. So I'm going to open something here, like a image from here. Then when the image opens, we're going to grab a brush, just a normal brush tool. You have your custom brush in here automatically, because Lightroom Photoshop remember what you've just done. So you've got your brush. Now mine is quite big, so I'm just going to make it smaller. You can just use the square brackets, but this will be faster. Okay, so maybe something like that. Okay, you can pick a color for your brush, and you just, well, maybe create a new layer, so it's on a separate layer. This will be better. Then you just click on the page to add your own custom brush. Okay, well, maybe different color. So I'm just going to undo. I'll change the foreground color, something like red. I'll click once here. You got your own custom brush. You can lower the opacity because on its own layers. You can make it slightly semi-transparent. Obviously you can make it bigger, smaller. You could add a layer effect, like say bevel and emboss, to give it more depth. Something like outer bevel, maybe softer. Maybe lower opacity. And that's how you can create your own custom signature brush with anything you design, anything you create, and use it on the images, so you can quickly just stamp images with your own custom brush like we did in here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Just one more thing I want to share with you. In case you haven't seen it, if you go to my website, I've got a brand new DVD. So if you go to marekmularczyk.com, I'll just move it for you here. You go to products, okay, and you scroll down. I've got a brand new DVD, the complete Photoshop CC, the fast guide for beginners. You can grab it straight from here. It's only £27 with free postage worldwide. Or you can grab it from Amazon.com if you prefer to buy it from Amazon. Over 2 hours of video, 28 lessons with everything you would need to know to get started with Photoshop, tips, tricks, and different techniques. A lot that's been covered. And this is just the first DVD. There's going to be a more advanced one as well. So grab it if you're interested. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Marek Mularczyk, and from marekmularczyk.com or from saitraining.co.uk. And if you liked it, share it, and I hope to see you soon on the next episode of Photoshop Lightroom TV. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.